Hey guys, it's Poochie. This is part 2 of the 101 Side Hustles series, Ideas and Strategies for Building Your Financial Freedom. So 101 Side Hustles, Ideas and Strategies for Building Your Financial Freedom is the title of my book that is available on Amazon. There are actually 102 side hustles because there is a bonus one. But in our part one video, we talked about the importance of side hustles for building financial freedom. We talked about the benefits of side hustles, and we also talked about finding the time and motivation for side hustles, especially if you're working a full-time job. So today we're going to start out with setting realistic goals and expectations. If you hear a parakeet in the background, that's because we have a parakeet rescue here, pretty much. And they always like to talk to me when I'm doing the videos, so I hope it doesn't bother you too much. So setting realistic goals and expectations is an important part of starting and maintaining a successful side hustle. It helps you to stay focused and motivated, and also ensures that you're not setting yourself up for disappointment or failure. So we're going to talk about some key strategies for setting realistic goals and expectations for your side hustle. You have to understand your priorities. That's first. Before setting any goals, it's important to understand what your priorities are. Are you looking to make some extra cash on the side, or are you hoping to turn your side hustle into a full-time business? So when you understand your priorities, it'll help you set more realistic goals that align with your long-term vision. So then defining your goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your priorities, it's time to define your goals. So you start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. SMART. Did you get that? SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of setting a vague goal of making more money, okay, that's really vague, set a specific goal of earning an extra $500 per month by the end of the year. So that's specific. You understand, making more money is one thing, or generating more income is one thing. They're very basic general goals, but if you say, by the end of the year, I want to be making $500 in extra income with my side hustle. That's a specific goal. Then you break down your goals. So after defining them, it's helpful to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Like I had talked about in part one, it's kind of like eating an elephant, right? If you're looking at the task of eating an elephant, it seems crazy and insurmountable, but if you think about it, you just have to do it one bite at a time, then it makes it easier. So when you break things down into smaller, more manageable steps, it will make it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. So for example, if your goal is to earn an extra $500 per month, you could break it down into a weekly goal of earning an extra $125 a week. So again, more manageable. Be flexible. It's important to be flexible with your goals and expectations, especially if your side hustle is still in the early stages. You may need to adjust your goals and as you learn more about your business and your target market. It's also important to be open to new opportunities and to pivot or change directions a little bit if necessary. Always stay, flexible, I guess. Don't just stick yourself in one pattern in one direction, because if you put yourself in one direction and something good is happening kind of, to your left or to your right, you're stuck going the same direction and you aren't going to be able to capitalize on other things. By setting realistic goals and expectations for your side hustle, you can increase your chances of success and avoid burnout. Remember to be flexible and celebrate your success along the way. With dedication and hard work, your side hustle can help you achieve your financial goals and build the life you want. That is absolutely true. So let's get into the side hustles. We have 101 to go through after all. So let's start talking about them individually. Freelance writing. So, freelance writing is a popular side hustle where you can offer your writing services to clients on a project by project basis without being tied down to a full time job or company. You can offer services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork as well. Freelance writers can work for a variety of clients, including blogs, magazines, websites, and businesses, also vlogs, videos. You can be a scriptwriter, creating content such as articles, blog posts, copywriting, and product descriptions. Okay, there's a lot of AI out there, and AI can actually help you in this task because not everybody uses it. So you can use AI and then customize the AI for descriptions, for blogs, etc., and do very well. So let's get into another one. Number 2 is graphic design. So if you don't feel like working with words so much, you can work with images. Graphic design side hustle involves creating visual content for businesses such as logos, websites, marketing materials, social media posts, and more. As a graphic designer, you can work with clients on a freelance basis. Again, you can use Fiverr and Upwork. Sign up as a seller on those platforms to get started. As a graphic designer, you can work on a freelance basis, creating custom designs tailored to their specific needs and preferences. This side hustle requires strong design skills, proficiency in design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. There's another one called Canva that is web-based, it is online, and they have a paid program and also a free program that you can use. And I know a lot of people use only the free program. So you have to have the ability to communicate effectively with clients, to understand their design needs and vision. You can find clients throughout freelance platforms, like I said, Fiverr or Upwork, and I'm sure there's more. Also social media or by networking with local businesses in your area. So, number 3, let's move on and get one more in before part 2 is done. Social media management. So social media management is the process of creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content on social media platforms on behalf of a client. A social media management side hustle involves managing the social media accounts of businesses and individuals who may not have the time, expertise, or resources to do it themselves. Okay? This may include creating social media posts, running social media ad campaigns, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media metrics to improve the effectiveness of the accounts. There are 3. Okay? The first one was freelance writing. The second one, graphic design. The third one, social media management. All of these are things that you can make quite a bit of money on, just in your side time, using your computer, using your social media skills, etc. So I hope you like this. Part 3 of 101 Side Hustles, Ideas and Strategies for Building Your Financial Freedom, will be coming soon. Remember, the full book is available on Amazon. Remember to please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more like this. Thanks for watching, guys.